Clean your arteries and prevent heart attack and stroke only with 1 glass of this powerful drink. Besides being used for making homemade vinaigrette and flavoring fish, the combination of lemons and garlic can be used for improving the health of your arteries. When you have increased level of LDL, bad cholesterol, it can build up on your artery walls and lead to a decreased blood flow, thus increasing your risk of heart attack or stroke. Fortunately, we have a great solution for you to lower your bad cholesterol, which does not include the usage of medications. We have an amazing recipe which is even more effective than medications, and what is more, it is completely natural and safe to use, without any side effects. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 6 peeled lemons, cut into small pieces. 30 cloves garlic, chopped to small pieces. 1 liter of water. Directions. Put all the ingredients in a blender and mix well. Pour the mixture in a pot and bring to boil. When it reaches its boiling point, turn off the heat, and let it cool. Then, pour the mixture into a jar and place the jar in the refrigerator. How to use it? First dosage, you should drink 50 ml each day for 3 weeks. Then make a break of 1 week. Second dosage, you should drink 50 ml each day for the next 3 weeks. You can repeat this procedure every 6 months. Benefits of this remedy: lowers blood pressure, eliminates fat deposits that accumulate in the body, raises good cholesterol, HLD, and reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, reduces the triglycerides in the blood, prevents the formation of clots, improves circulation, improves liver functioning and its ability to cleanse, prevents the formation of tumors, improves kidney functioning and helps reduce the amount of fluids retained, renews and rejuvenates your cells due to its antioxidant properties, strengthens the immune system and your body's natural defenses.